Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token burning. Remember, this coin have over 500 trillion coins in circulation, and burning out that number is not going to be easy, because when you take a look at coins like Shiba Inu with all the top partnership with all the top exchanges listing Shiba Inu, and with the burning portal, Shiba Inu stay burn sometimes 45 million or 35 million coins in a single day. I know by now people must have expected Shiba Inu to be burning over 5 billion or 10 billion coins in a day. And remember, Shiba Inu have about 548 trillion coins in circulation. So Shiba Inu coin, there's no much difference between Shiba Inu coins and Tectonic token that have about 500 trillion. So burning out that number is not going to be easy. But remember, Tectonic token statistics, you will discover that the top 20 Tectonic token holders are holding almost 95% of these coins. Wow. Top holders are holding 95. So is it going to be easy to burn at least 80% of this coin? I'm talking about burning about 400 trillion coins of Tectonic. And yes, it depends on how the developers are able to work with the top holders of Tectonic token, which I know that most of these top holders are also part of the developers. So I think the developers need to ask themselves if they are ready to really push the Tonic token. I believe they need a mass burning. They need to burn at least some of their holding in order to really help the Tonic token price to really increase. I'm hoping to see Tectonic token burning increase. If Tectonic token can burn about 400 trillion coins, yes, that is going to mark the beginning of new era, because Tectonic token will be hitting over 10,000 to 100,000%. Yes, it's been hosted by crypto.com, and you can buy Tectonic on crypto.com. You can also buy it on VVS Finance, and just recently on board Kansas City. And I hope to see Kucoin get.io hotbit and then blockchain listing Tectonic token. And let's hope that this coin will definitely hit a massive increase in price very soon. But please remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision.